Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable, turn off, always on display for power saving mode on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, go down and tap on battery and device care. Next, tap on battery, then go down and tap on power saving mode on the left hand side. Now in here, tap on turn off, always on display. So tap on the switch to turn it on or off. Now if you are turning on power saving mode, then this will become gray out. So if you want to make changes to this settings, you need to turn off power saving mode. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.